Are you confused on how to use essential oils with your laundry without getting stains on your clothes? Let's make this 1, 2, 3 laundry sheet so you can do your laundry fast and also trust that your clothes are being washed with safe products. Because with this recipe, you'll go from confused to total laundry rock star in no time. Hi, I'm Summer, certified aromatherapist who loves teaching you how to use essential oils. So turn off those distractions because making is healing, and get ready to get started. So grab your April monthly recipe box and let's get started. I start by pulling out all the fun things. I'm gonna grab Clean and Fresh, the laundry detergent sheets, my recipe card. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your laundry sheets out of your bag. Now, I'm only going to use this for a smaller load, so I only need 1 sheet. But if you were going to do a bigger load, you would utilize both sheets. You'll set it down, and then you're going to drop 5 drops of Clean and Fresh essential oil blend onto your sheet. So I have a top loading washer. So I just put all my clothes in first, and then I'll put my laundry sheet right on top, so then the water will hit it and it will turn into a beautiful soap blend. It's awesome. You can make this. I love this 1, 2, 3 laundry sheet because not only is it natural, so I know I can trust the products that are going on my clothes, which are then going on my skin, but I can also make it smell amazing with Simply Earth essential oils. Now, I love to see your creations, so make sure to take lots of photos and then tag from Simply Earth using hashtag I made this. The Simply Earth monthly recipe box makes it impossibly easy. Go make it.